Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing all right. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I make my mint samosa. It's not really difficult guys, so if you want to see, keep watching. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. So let's get started. Okay, first I'm gonna be preparing dough. For that we need 2 cups of plain flour. I'm gonna be adding also salt and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, now I'm gonna go with my hand and mix everything well before adding water. Okay, now we can go ahead and add water. You can add at once about 1 cup of water, or you can do the way I'm doing here. It doesn't matter. Now just knead your dough until it's soft. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm going to put it back the dough in the bowl and cover. I'm gonna just let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes while I'm doing other stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna be preparing mince. I already add some oil in the pot. You don't need too much oil guys, just a little bit of oil and some onion. Fry for a few seconds and add mince. Now I'm gonna be adding spices as well. I'm gonna start by adding salt, turmeric powder, and also chili powder, some dry oregano, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my ginger garlic paste as well. Now I'm gonna just add some water, and then I'm gonna just give a good stir and slow the flame. I'm gonna be covering my pot and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, so it's after 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna just like opening flame and cook this mince for about 5 minutes in high flame, or until you see the water is completely dry. Okay guys, so it's after 5 minutes. As you can see, the color has changed. The mince is nicely brown. Now I'm gonna just put in the plate and set aside. Okay, now we're going to be preparing samosa pastry. First we have to divide the dough in small balls. Okay, first I'm going to dip the dough into dry flour so it don't stick in the working surface. Okay, with the rolling pin I'm gonna go ahead and flatten my dough until it's nicely flat and thin. For the shapes, you can make any shape that you like. You don't need to follow exactly the shapes that I'm gonna be making here. Okay guys, so I'm done with folding. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fry. For frying, you have to fry in low to medium heat. Your oil must not be too hot. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna be doing here, and fry until it's light golden on both sides. Okay guys, our samosa is done. As you can see, look how beautiful is that. Oh my goodness. So if you did like this video, don't forget to give your sister a nice thumbs up, share with family and friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and comment down below what you think about this recipe guys. I will see you in the next